Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 3. Name of the chapter is Symmetry and Patterns, and it is our lecture number 1. Today's subtopics are Introduction to Symmetry and Patterns, exercise 3A, question 1, A to C parts. 2, question 3, question 4A part. 5, A to C, and question 6, A part. Now let's move to first topic, symmetry. What does it mean? Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another. Let me tell you by writing. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when we move it in some way. Like if we are turning it, if we are flipping it, or if we are sliding it. Okay. And symmetrical figures, what are these figures? Okay. The figures which can be divided into two parts equally are called symmetrical figures. जो फिगर इक्वली डिवाइड हो सकती है टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में, डिवाइड इक्वली इन टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, divide into two parts equally. The two parts of the figure are the mirror images of each other. What is the meaning of mirror image? Mirror image means something that looks exactly the same as another thing, but with its left and right sides in opposite positions. Like if you stand in front of the mirror, you get the same image. That is mirror image. Now look this figure. This line, dotted line, is line of symmetry, dividing the figure into two equal parts. And this part is the mirror image of that part, and that part is the mirror image of this part. Understood? The line across which the figure is divided is called the line of symmetry. So this dotted line is known as line of symmetry because it is dividing the figure into two equal parts. Okay. Now let's see about patterns. Patterns, they are formed by groups of shapes, objects, diagrams, or numbers. And patterns are the part of daily life and are very useful in mathematics as they can help us to solve some problems, as we are doing patterns and series in our reasoning also. See, these are geometrical patterns. You see these geometrical patterns on carpets, wallpapers, floors. Okay, and these are the number patterns. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Total is 6. 2, 3, 4. Total is 9. So it is a pattern. With the same, you have to complete this. Look here. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. So check the gap. 6 to 9, gap is of 3. 9 to 12, gap is of 3. 12 to 15, the gap is of 3. So 15 to, we will move 18, then 21, 24 and 27. Understood? So no need to do the total, because as these are the small digits, you can do totaling. But if the digits are in thousands or in lakhs, then you have to recognize the pattern and then complete it. Now we will start exercise 3A, question number 1. In each of the figures below, state if the figure is symmetrical. Draw a line of symmetry if it is symmetrical. We have to observe the figure. If the figure is symmetrical, then we have to draw the line of symmetry also. Now see this figure. Symmetrical figure कब होगी? जब वो 2 equal parts में divide हो जाएगी. So it is possible if you are drawing the line in between center. How it can be done? You can measure this line segment. It is 1.8. So 1.8 का हाफ करिए और सेंटर पॉइंट मार्क करिए. 0.9 and here 1 it is 3.4, half of 3.4, 1.7. So here 1.7. Now join this with the dotted line. Line of symmetry will be drawn always dotted in this way. Now here in this figure, one line of symmetry can be drawn from here. Easily you can observe. Check, the figure is divided into 2 equal parts. ये पार्ट और ये एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप कर सकते हैं अगर हम इसको इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप करें तो. And now divide this vertically also. Look here. So there are 2 lines of symmetry and here 1 line of symmetry. This figure, it has no line of symmetry. Is it symmetrical? Yes. Is it symmetrical? Yes. And this is not symmetrical. Now question number 2. In each of the figures below, an additional line is indicated by dots. Observe, name the figure and state if the figure is symmetrical about the dotted line. First of all, it is asked that the figure has one additional line that is indicated by, indicate means show karna, by dotted. Observe, name the figure. Observe it. What is the name of the figure? Triangle. स्टेट इफ द फिगर इज सिमेट्रिकल। अब आपको ये बताना है कि क्या इस डॉटेड लाइन पे फिगर सिमेट्रिकल है। डॉटेड लाइन क्या फिगर को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है? यस। सो इज इट सिमेट्रिकल? यू विल टेल यस। नेम ऑफ दिस फिगर, rectangle. And this dotted line is dividing the figure into 2 equal parts. Yes. Now check this. This figure is square. And this dotted line is dividing the figure into 2 equal parts or not? क्या ये पार्ट इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप हो जाएगा अगर हम फोल्ड करेंगे? Yes. Let me explain you practically. What is this shape? It is a square. And this dotted line, if this line is line of symmetry, then definitely it should divide the figure into 2 equal parts. It means when we will fold the figure on this dotted line, it should overlap. Check it. On this dotted line, when we have folded it, is it overlapping the figure? क्या ये इसे जो शेप इसका जो सेकंड पार्ट था उस पे ओवरलैप कर रही है? Yes. It means this dotted line is known as line of symmetry. Similarly, here also, if we are getting one dotted line, and if it is overlapping the figure like this, see, then this line is known as, this line is known as line of symmetry. Understood? अगर फिगर 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है, ओनली देन इट इज नोन एज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री which divides a figure into 2 equal parts. Now see, what is this figure? It is a rectangle. Is it line of symmetry? Let's check. Fold it on this dotted line. Now see what happened. It has not overlapped. इसको overlap ही नहीं किया. इधर से इसका कुछ पार्ट दिख रहा है, यहाँ से इसका कुछ पार्ट दिख रहा है. So it is not the line of symmetry. Understood? But line of symmetry can be this one. This is the line of symmetry because on this line you will use the scale for this. Now this line is dividing the figure into 2 equal parts. 2 बराबर टुकड़ों में अब बटी है. अब ये फिगर पूरी पूरी ओवरलैप हो गई. Okay, so this line is known as line of symmetry. Similarly, here also in your book, this line is known as line of symmetry because at that time it is dividing the figure in 2 equal parts. This and this dotted line, this one is known as line of symmetry as it is drawn here. Got it? Now next is question number 3. Next is question number 3. Here are all 26 letters in capitals A to Z. All 26 letters are written. Some letters have double symmetry. You can divide them in half in 2 ways, including the letter H as it is shown. H has 2 lines of symmetry. Like here on rectangle we have seen 2 lines of symmetry. Now they are asking about letters. H has 2 lines of symmetry. Means ये दोनों तरफ से 2 equal parts में divide होती है. When this line is dotted line is drawn, then the figure can be overlapped like this. When this line is drawn, center line, the figure can be overlapped like this. Okay. including the letter H. There are 4 letters that have double symmetry, including H. H को include करते हुए 4 letters हैं जिनकी 2 lines of symmetry हैं. What are the other 3 letters? 1 they have given, 3 they are asking. Find out. Now see. Now look here. A. A alphabet has 1 line of symmetry. From this corner to downwards, vertical line of symmetry. B. B has no vertical line of symmetry. Look here. Vertical line of symmetry is not there. Figure 2 equal parts में divide नहीं हो रही. But horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line से figure 2 equal parts में divide हो रही है. Both the sides same type of figure. Similarly, C has 1 line of symmetry. D also has 1 line of symmetry. E 1 line of symmetry. This is not line of symmetry here. Here also. Got it? Now F. F has no line of symmetry. So circle it. No line of symmetry. It has neither horizontal nor vertical. G. G also has no line of symmetry. H. H has 2 lines of symmetry. 1 and 2. Understood? I. You have to find out the next. H has 2 lines of symmetry. Got it? Okay. It is given in your book also. Now आपको 3 अल्फाबेट और बताने थे. 1 you have got it. That is I. Understood? J. It has no line of symmetry. K. K has 1 line of symmetry. Line of symmetry divides the figure into 2 equal parts. L. L has no line of symmetry. M. M has 1 line of symmetry. It is vertical. N. No line of symmetry. O. Got it. 2 lines of symmetry. So next answer is O. P. No line of symmetry. Q. No line of symmetry. R. R has also no line of symmetry. S. S has, look here, does it has line of symmetry? Don't get confused. Many students say, ma'am, S has line of symmetry. No, it has no line of symmetry. Look carefully. अगर आप line of symmetry बताते हैं तो ये इसके overlap करना चाहिए, but ये overlap नहीं करेगा. So S has no line of symmetry. T. T has 1 line of symmetry. U. 1 line of symmetry, that is vertical. V also 1 line of symmetry. W also 1 line of symmetry. These are all vertical line of symmetry. Now the next alphabet is X. Yes, X has line of symmetry 1 and 2. This is the third alphabet. Y. No line of symmetry. And Z. No line of symmetry. If Y is like this, then it has line of symmetry. Got it? If K is like this, sometimes it is made like this, then it has no line of symmetry. Observe carefully. This K has line of symmetry, but this K has no line of symmetry. So you got your answer. I, O and X. So your answer 3 is I, O, X. Next is question number 4. Observe the patterns and complete the following. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 32, 34. What is done here? 30 is added. Again 30 is added. Again 30 is added. So 4, 34. Next will be add 30. It is like this: 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64 and 74. Don't do addition. Observe the pattern. Right. Now look here. 5th question. Find the sum of consecutive numbers. Consecutive होते हैं लगातार के नंबर, काउंटिंग के नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4. These are consecutive. Now observe it. 1 to 6 it is written, and pairing is done. 1 and 6, 1 pair. 2 and 5, 2 pairs. 3 and 6, 3 and 4, 3 pairs. Total 3 pairs are there. Okay. So when the numbers are even numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is even, then we have to find the pairing. 3 pairs. 6 का next number is 7. 3 multiply 7. Okay. Look here. अभी इसको हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. We will discuss first even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 even numbers. Now see pairing. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 pair बने. 4 multiply next digit after 8. 9. 4 9s are 36. Got it? 4 9s are 36. अगेन सी पार्ट. इवन वाला पहले कर रहे हैं बेटा हम. 1 प्लस 10 11. 2 प्लस 9 11. 2 पेयर्स हो गए. 3 प्लस 8 11. 3 पेयर्स. 4 प्लस 7 4 पेयर्स. 6 प्लस 5 11. 5 पेयर्स. टोटल 5 पेयर्स बने आपके. ओके. सो 11 multiply 5, 55. After 10 next digit आपने लेना 11 multiply by 5. Now we will observe this pattern of odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1, 6. 4 and 2, 6. Then single digit 3. 6 plus 6 plus 3 is 15. Now check this. Odd numbers. 9 plus 1, 10. We will write down 10 here. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. And the single digit left 5. 10, 10, 10, 10. 40 plus 5, 45. Understood? So, pattern आपको observe करना है. For even numbers, it is different. For odd numbers, it is different. Now, next question number 6. Observe the patterns and complete the following. 1 into 8 plus 1. 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. We have to observe the pattern. 12 into 8 plus 2, 9, 98. 987. 99999. It is fixed. Okay. So we will write down next also 9, 9, 9 and 9. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. Now here it is 987, 9876, 9876 and next will be 5. अंडरस्टूड. आप अगर 99 से नहीं चेक कर रहे तो आप ऐसे भी चेक कर सकते हैं. देखिए, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व बाय एनी वे. 9, then 98, 987, 9876. What is going on? 987, 9876, 9876. Next is 5. 9876, 5 तक आपका आ चुका था. Next is 4. 9876, 5, 4 तक आप ले चुके हैं. So next will be 3. 9876, 5, 4, 3 and now you will take 2. So it is a pattern. No need to solve this. Observe the pattern. I hope you have understood now. It's time to take homework. Your homework is do question 1, D2F parts. Four question B part. Question 5 D2F parts. And question 6 B part of exercise 3A in book. Also revise the classwork. Also revise classwork. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.